Yeah, close. Yeah, come this side now. Come this side.
For me, it's just a courtesy call on somebody I consider a brother and the governor of Benue State. It's just a courtesy call, private courtesy call. I've said it before when people talk about structure, that my structure are the 100 million Nigerians living in poverty, 35 million young people unemployed, those people who are finding it difficult to live as the people. Nigerians are today spending over 100% of their money on feeding. They are my structures. And above all, I have the most important structure, the Almighty God.
First of all, to welcome my brother, Mr. Peter Obi, presidential candidate of the Labour Party, and to commend him for paying this courtesy call, and also to formally let me know of his intention to contest the presidency in 2023. I commend him, and where we are today, I've always said we must look beyond politics, and we must work towards a joint working together to ensure that we rescue Nigeria and rebuild it. And I think that Peter Obi's credentials are very clear, and everybody knows. But I appreciate him. He knows that I am a very big stakeholder in PDP, but he found time to visit me, and he's been going around. And so this is commendable, and I appreciate him. And like I always say, John 3:27, a man can receive nothing except is given to him from above. So if God decides that it is him, nobody can stop it. If God decides that it is somebody else, nobody can also stop it. So this is a very welcome development, and I believe that he will reach out to even the other presidential candidates of various political parties in the PDP, in the APC, and NNPP. I believe that he should be able to reach out to them, to sit down with them, analyze the Nigerian situation, and see if he can convince them to even step down for him, because there is provision. If they do that, that can work. So, but let us be seen as putting Nigeria first. That is what is most important. And I think so far, I commend his effort, and I welcome him and appreciate him for paying this visit. And God bless him.
Bios.
So